Hello my fellow noobs. Today we are going to have a little deja vu. We are going to talk about replaceAll method, which is almost identical to replace method, with a few exceptions of course. And you will find those in today's episode. The replaceAll method returns a new string with all matches of a pattern replaced by a replacement. The pattern is the first parameter and it can be either a regular expression or simple string value. The replacement is a second parameter and it can be either a simple string value or it can be a function to be called for each match. If the regular expression does not contain a global flag, type error is thrown. We will recycle the example number 1 from the previous video to highlight subtle but important differences between two sister methods. There are again 4 available combinations of pattern and replacement types of values. In the first one, we are looking for a string blue and replacing it with string green. All the occurrences found are replaced. This is the most important difference between the two methods so far. The second case is using a regular expression to find a match to replace it with the simple string value of green. Since we are using the global flag within our regular expression, we will be replacing all of the matches, not just the first one. The third case is a simple string blue being replaced by a function. Our function transforms any match to all uppercase characters. It does not matter that we are using a simple string as a pattern, all the matches are replaced. The last, fourth case, is a regular expression match being replaced by function. We are replacing the lowercase version with an uppercase version. If you forget to add the global flag into your regular expression, you get type error. Type error informs us that we need to provide global regular expression. We make one by adding g at the end of the expression. Simple, and now it works. There are few tricks that you can use when you provide a string as a parameter. Here are some of them in example 3. You can output the $sign symbol by typing it twice. Or you can insert matched string multiple times in replacement. If that's what you need, $sign and end is the way to go. Sometimes you want the substring preceding the matched string. In that case, you can use $sign plus backtick character. And that's what you get. Alternatively, you might want a substring following the matched string. In that case, you can use $sign single quote and you are all set. I'm not completely sure you can use it in any way, but at least now you know you can do it. Yay! The last example will show you some tricks that you can do when you use a function as a replacement parameter. Based on the pattern you use, you get a set of parameters available to your replacement function. First one is always a matched string, followed by a varying number of matches for captured groups. Then you get an offset, which is basically an index value where the match starts. And lastly, you get the original string. You don't need to use all of the parameters, but you need to keep in mind that they will be provided to your function in this order, no matter what you actually name them. As with the previous method, this was real fun, but we are at the end now anyways. Thank you for your undying attention, and as usual, I will see you next time.